I discovered this secret website right now, guys, that sells affordable things. So affordable that you can get them less than you even get them on most of these Chinese websites. Yes, and they deliver straight to your doorstep. Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start selling products from the comfort of your home even with the lowest initial capital. Now these are hot products that people are willing to pay for and they are willing to buy. You don't have to do importation, you don't have to stress yourself. This is the simplest way to get things affordable and cheap delivered to your doorstep. If you're interested in learning this, then make sure you stick to the end. My name is Favour Kemjii Okoro, and on this channel I teach you sales, marketing, business, and generally tips that would help you make more money online. You should check out my previous videos if you want to see more interesting topics around these things. All right, so let's get straight into it. So I discovered this secret website right now, guys, that sells affordable things. So affordable that you can get them less than you even get them on most of these Chinese websites. Yes, and they deliver straight to your doorstep. Delivery fee is a flat rate of $2. $2, 2,000 naira to your doorstep wherever you are in any part of the world. This is a very crazy offer that I don't want anybody on my channel to miss out on. Before I tell you about the website, let me explain this simple business for anybody, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, you're a student, you're a business owner, you're a 9-to-5, anything you're doing currently, this can accommodate you. This is a business called e-commerce. E-commerce. You've heard of commerce before, then commerce, which has to do with buying and selling, then which has to do with the internet, combined together. Now, in this business model, what do? You find hot products that have high profits and you sell them online to get customers. Where can you sell them? On Facebook, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, on different platforms, on social media, on YouTube, on TikTok. There are people selling these products on TikTok. Let me give you a secret about this product. There are two particular categories of products that sell like wildfire. In fact, there was a time I jokingly tried to sell one of them. I wasn't serious. I just wanted to test. And in one night, I got over 9 orders. I just put it out there just to test the waters, just on my WhatsApp status. And guess what? These products are called household appliances. These products sell like crazy. Everybody wants their house to look beautiful and sophisticated. You see what I'm whispering is a secret that most people don't know. And once you have all these fancy household products that look so beautiful, that look fancy, that can help people solve a problem, maybe help them arrange their kitchen or help them arrange their house, they are willing to pay you even ridiculous prices for it. Household appliances are good products that can sell out. Things like blenders, things like cutter, things like tablecloths. There are things that look very simple, but they sell out on the internet. So you can start your own business with very little capital and make lots of profit selling household appliances. Another category of products that sell well are phone accessories and gadgets. These are things that people use with their phones and gadgets that help them run their business well. You see this simple mic? This simple mic sells out like wildfire, and I'll show you a place where you can get it very cheap and still make lots of profit. Stay with me in this video. This is a video where I'm spilling lots of secrets, so stay with me. In fact, I might take down this video shortly because I'm already sharing my business strategies here. So the first thing you need to do is find a hot product, and I've given you 2 strong categories of products that sell out like crazy. If you try them and they don't sell, then you can call me a liar. These products sell very well. The next thing you need to do is to put a price on it, right? You check how much you bought the product, you check how much profit you want to make, you put them together, and then you put a price on it. And then the next thing you need to do is start talking about it on all your social media platforms, right? You talk about it on your WhatsApp status, you talk about it on your face. Some of you just post memes on your status from morning till night. Don't know that is a place where you can make crazy sales. So don't joke with your WhatsApp status. That is where I make most of my sales, right? Don't joke with your Facebook page. Don't joke with your Instagram. If you don't know how to use these platforms to sell, check my previous videos. I have videos on these things, right? You can also run adverts to sell these products, and you're going to be able to sell them like wildfire. Now, don't make the mistake of trying to import this product directly from China on all these websites that you're seeing everywhere. Why? Because these websites most times will give you a lot of hiccup when it comes to delivering your products. You're going to spend sometimes even more than you spent on the product on delivery fees. And when it gets down to Nigeria, you still have to pay for shipping and clearing fees, which are also very much more expensive. Let me introduce you to this secret site I'm using to import and get goods at very cheap rates straight to my doorstep. Quality products, not what I ordered versus what I got. The site is called Kemjii.com. KenChrisStore.com. I'll put it in the description and I'll also type it out on the screen. This site sells things at ridiculously cheap prices. For example, look at this mic. I bought this mic here for 20,000 naira. This mic is currently being sold for 20,000. People will sell it for 25,000 naira. It's dual. I'm using one and this is the second one. But this mic is on that site for less than 10,000 naira. So let's say you get this mic. For each one you sell, you make a profit of 10,000 naira. And trust me, everybody wants to be a content creator these days. Everybody is buying mic, buying phone stand, buying phone gadgets, buying household appliances. So it's going to be very easy for you to get these customers online. So all you have to do right now is head to that site and start looking out for creative products that you can sell right away. Place your order, put your address, put your location, put your phone number, and make your payment. It will be delivered to you in 7 to 14 working days. This is not the one where you have to wait for 1 month. My friend ordered something from AliExpress and she has been waiting for the past 3 months. It has not arrived. This one, you're guaranteed to get your order in 7 to 14 working days, delivered to your doorstep in good condition. And now you can now start selling these things online and making good profits. Do you see how this works? As somebody who has a busy lifestyle, you can do this on the side, and in a month you can be making 100 to 200,000 naira profits. These products that you buy on this site, these things are ridiculously cheap and affordable. You can pay with any card at all. It does not decline your cards, not like other sites that decline your cards. Any card at all that you have, you can use it to pay for your products, and you're rest assured that it's going to be delivered to your house. Ever since I discovered this site, that's been shopping spree for me. Very affordable, easy to use, swift and fast delivery, and of course, you get your package exactly what you ordered. Now you can use the opportunity to order bulk because it has a flat delivery rate. It's not other sites where if you order 10, they multiply your delivery by 10. No, delivery rate is flat, $2 on anything, no matter the size, no matter the quantity. And so they send it to your house. So order as much as you want and sell them online and make lots and lots of products. You see this sealing device that people use to seal nylons? You can use it to seal nylons for your orders or for your products or for your customers. And you can also sell it. So you can buy for yourself and also sell it. Those of you that are moving into new houses and you need to stock up your house, don't go and pay people that would rip you off or people that would things at exorbitant prices. You can order these things yourself and get them delivered to your house at a very flat rate. So I've said enough. I'm going to put the link to the site in the description, and I'm also going to type it on the screen. KenChrisStore.com. Go there, shop for your gadgets, your home appliances, your phone accessories, and your security gadgets. Let me talk about security gadgets a lot. I saw a page that sells security gadgets and I did not realize that it was such a hot product. See, you don't have to sell what everybody is selling. You don't have to go into what everybody is selling. The beauty of marketing, the beauty of making sales is when you pick a product that is not easily found anywhere, and then people have been looking for that product, and you come out online and say you have the product. You will see the way people are going to rush you. So you pick one of these security products that people don't see everywhere, and you sell it online, and you make good profits. I've said enough. Action point: check out KenChrisStore.com right now and pick out products, place your order, and start selling or start using them and enjoy yourself. You need to thank me for revealing this website to you. All right, so that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will be replying, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you share this video. Please share this video. We'll be rewarding people who share our content very soon on this channel. Very, very soon. Beautiful, sweet rewards are coming. So share this video with your friends, post on your WhatsApp status, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.